May iba't ibang rason kung bakit tayo nagte-travel. Si Mia, gustong hanapin ang sarili.
Hi, Subi. I'm Tsue.
At pag sinwerte ka, may makakasama kang maghanap. Si Meggie.
Nakakaubos ang stress. Kaya mag-stress tabs. Ibalik ang nawalang ikaw.
Picture a place adorned with lush greenery, gently swaying trees, a haven where time seems to stand still. Eternal Gardens provides a sanctuary for remembrance, a place where the memories of your loved ones can bloom forever.
Eternal gardens, a glimpse of heaven on a patch of earth.